And Karan Shetty ma'am, thank you so much. You are living a blissful life, and watching you, we are feeling that much blissful just by watching you. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, we have Vaishnavi with us, sir, today. Last week was a happy blast for Paima, sir. Last week, we all met, Paima youth, we all met, and we have enjoyed to the peaks, and we have learned spirituality. We have did meditation. We have been to several places. We have done trekking. We went to the waterfalls. We had a beautiful, immense experience, a beautiful experience. Vaishnavi is also with us in the trip, and she wants to explain what happened last week. Vaishnavi, please unmute yourself and explain, Patriji, about what happened last week.
Hi, sir. Good morning. So, first of all, thank you to you.
Vaishnavi again.
Yes, sir. So it was a happy week, the last week, whatever we spent, because I have been heard from my parents that they were going trekking along with you, enjoying that wildness, everything. They explain us like Patricia used to take us to many trekkings, the rain, sudden experiences they have. But I have never been, and maybe our generation, not too many trekkings. But believe me, the very first spiritual trekking we had last week, and the parents joined us. It's like my father and mother and few parents joined us. Almost 25 to 30 people.
Very
We
good.
went on a happy journey. Just came near to Vizag, and believe me, sir, it was a wonderful experience. Which I'm still in that kind of feeling. I can't even just come out. And the most important thing is the connection with nature. So we went to a place called Chintalagraharam. So there we have seen the lake there, and then we went to the pyramid there. So we had lunch there, and we just meet up everyone together. And the most important thing is we had some shooting session for some quality shooting regarding the upcoming whatever telecast we need. But along with that, we enjoyed the nature, especially our parents along with us. They are like super happy. We will miss DMC this year, but this, especially this whatever trip we had last week, they are saying that definitely we are going to be happy with this, though we miss DMC. So it's that kind of Sajjana Sangatya we had. After from there, like the people there, believe me, sir, I've never seen, they didn't know us much. But they are part of PSSM. They had like wherever we go, first we went to Chintalagrahara and then to Pedagadi and then to Madugula Pyramid. Believe me, sir, everywhere there is PSSM people and they are just welcoming. They are wonderful. We are just seeing that we can go there, stay there. They just call us for happy meal. They share their journeys. So I cannot believe my eyes. I think this is the only society where there is a lot of welcoming. We don't know that place. We don't know much about that. They just welcome us. So it's really very wonderful the experience I had. No, we had all of us together. And the very most important thing is the bond we developed. So it was like I am with 25 to 30 people, but still I experienced my personal space. Though I am with many people, I connected to my higher self many times while they are sharing their experiences, while I'm meditating in different pyramids. First we were in Chintalagrahara and then to Pedagadi and then to Madigula pyramid. It was really wonderful. We even slept one night in the pyramid. They allowed us. It was really wonderful. God, they have in the construction only. They had just kept all stars there in the construction, and then again the Queen Chamber there. It's really wonderful, sir. The climate there. So we enjoyed every single moment, especially, and then we have shooted some beautiful conversations, some classical dances with some of our Paima members. Yeah, it's a very happy meet. And then the most importantly, we went to trekking and then we went to waterfalls. So the waterfalls, it's as it is the rainy season, there are like the flow is really heavy, but we have parents and Venu and few of us who are there to guide us. And even we had Dana Akka and Dana Akka's parents, many people along with us. And believe me, sir, the waterfalls are like the feeling is awesome. I don't even know swimming. Whenever I just enter water, the water is hugging me like mother. I'm just floating, flowing. It's a wonderful experience. Not only me, every one of us are like they are in the lap of mother water to say. So we are in the middle of nature, nowhere. Like we don't know where we are. I feel like we are in some another planet where we have no limitations, no boundaries, only joy, only joy. So it was such a happy experience, and even the Sattvic food we have in the journey. God, it's wonderful. I found it really awesome, sir. The last week, I can't even find my words to explain what everything we had during this. And everywhere we go, they share the experiences with you, with Patri, sir, their personal experiences, and how they inspired and they constructed that pyramid, that entire place, the Vishwakanti pyramid we had in Madugula. So it was really wonderful. The happy food they are giving to us, the very sattvic and everything. It's like a beautiful experience we had, especially the nature around the pyramid. So thank you, sir, for giving us to like for this generation. We are very blessed to grow in this environment in this kind of happy mode. And again, this Paima, as you given us Paima, so it's we are really blessed to be like part of this Paima where a like-minded youth are they're just coming together, they're sharing experiences. So I could hear from Venu Anna, Dana Akka, and Mukesh Anna joined us, Ojesh Anna's younger brother. So we had a wonderful conversation how they used to grow when they are like Paima used to give performances for every Dhyana Mahachakram, how they grew and how now they are not even together, but how those seeds made their future a beautiful, happy future. Like now they are doing what they want, every one of them. So it's a very unique experience I had to listen to their experiences and now I have some clarity what I'm going to get from this society and how to grow along with everyone. Thank you so much, sir. So it's a really a wonderful experience and believers. So there is coming a beautiful content we have created from in this journey. So a beautiful and quality content. We are just eager to show that to you. So if I continue, it will be a huge, like big experience to share. And that week is just a dream to me, a dream which come true. So I'm super happy about that. Thank you so much. So this is all because of you. This is happening just because of your vision that you had 30 years before. Because whenever we just a youth go together, they just indulge in just enjoyment. Though we are in the enjoyment, every one of us have a lot of experiences we had. So that intimate experiences with ourselves, that's very important. And we had it. I had it. I tasted it. That glimpse. So thank you so much for it. We are glad to be part of this PIMA, this PSSM. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
My goodness.
Yes, sir.
This young lady, her grandfather started meditation in his village, in his town, and the whole family has become masters of meditation. And this lady is a great yoga teacher. Show me some yoga poses.
It's very, I know, I feel very glad. So whenever you just see me, you ask to yoga poses. Yes, I am. I just feel very happy to do because that's what I want to spread to the world. Just a second, sir.
Yes, please. Kartikeyanji, she is a very, very great master. Her father and her grandfather, all are great masters.
Oh, wonderful.
From a village called, town called Tadipatri in Anantapur district.
Oh, how fortunate. Venu, how old is this Paima and how big is it now?
Yes, sir. Paima is 30 years of old, sir. Paima has started when Patrizi has started practicing meditation.
30 years.
Actually, the thing is, Paima has restarted recently 2 years before. Patrizi has this vision about Paima. Patrizi wants to spread meditation to all the youths. So I wanted to, I went to him and asked him, sir, why don't we restart Paima? We have a youth wing. So we will restart it. So when I asked Patrizi about Paima, I really saw some spark in his eyes and he felt so happy. Immediately, right now I'm starting Paima. You're the in charge. He told me and we started collaborating and immediately we started Paima. From then onwards, no looking back. All the youths from different places in India and all over the world, we are combining and practicing meditation at one place, sir. And this Paima is enlightening us like anything. We all are gathering at one place and spreading meditation, learning knowledge, and sharing the wisdom with all the youths. And we are feeling so blissful. Like Karan Shetty ma'am, whatever she is feeling, whatever the happiness she is experiencing, the same way every youth in Paima are experiencing, sir. This is amazing, and we are so happy that we are in Paima and we are connected to Patrizi through this Paima. Thank you so much, Guruji.
Is it a formal organization or anybody?
Anybody, this Paima is a PSSM youth wing of PSSM, sir. Paima, Pyramid Youth,
Who guides you?
Patrizi, and our chief advisor is Patri Amma and Munni, Parinita ma'am, as well as Srinivas Reddy, sir. These three are our chief advisors, and Patrizi is with us all the time.
No, he's already there, but I'm asking about your organization as
Yes,
such.
sir. Yes, sir. So the whole team is like, I'm the in charge of the Paima, and Swarnamala Patri ma'am is the chief advisor, as well as Parnita ma'am and Srinivas Reddy sir, Patrizi's in-law. And with their guidance, whatever Paima is doing, everything comes from their knowledge. Everything is from their thinking pattern. Patri ma'am, mainly, especially Patri ma'am is looking after Paima. She is amazing. She is guiding like anything, like a mother. We all know that she is our mother, and she is guiding us like anything, like what we do, how we talk, how we show ourselves to the public, and how to spread meditation to the whole youth. She gives so many ideas to us, and we are so blessed to have such a great soul as our chief advisor. Patrice has put like that, and in every state there is an in charge for
Now,
Paima.
what I want to ask you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In every state there is an in charge for Paima, as well as in every district there is another in charge for Paima. With that in charge, we have 9 core members, and with this team, we are spreading meditation to all over the world. We are spreading slowly. Right now, we are very strong in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and slowly we are implanting the seed of Paima in every district and states in all over across the India, and also other countries also.
So today is Paima Day, is it?
Every Monday morning 7 to 8:30 is Patrizi with Paima program, sir, under the under the house of Dhyan Hindustan.
Okay. Every Monday.
Every Monday, 7 o'clock to 8:30. This is Paima time. So Patrice has given this time to Paima. He wants to talk to the youth who are exploring the wisdom. So
The Monday programs are organized by you, basically.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Vaishali. Shoot.
Yes.
Yes. So today I just show the very first asana is Utthita Hasta Padangustasana. So it sounds crazy, but it is something very beautiful. All we need is concentration. Whatever the concentration we need during meditation and we get during meditation, we can apply here. It helps in doing anything in the life. So what that asana is, all you have to do is stand in Tadasana, hold your right leg down, just take it before and take it sideways. Chin.
Wow.
So this is the Utthita Padangastasana. Yeah. So because of this, the levels of concentration and the coordination between mind and body and how to calm your mind and body we develop. Like in just second, we can enter into that states of meditation. So that's what I get from yoga. So when I did yoga, my body is completely prepared to feel that higher self when I meditate to connect with myself. Now I'm going to show Chakrasana. So all I do is I just stand and fall back into Chakrasana. And because of Chakrasana, so there are many advantages and especially the health of spine. Because the health of a person, like the lifespan of a person, completely depends upon the spine health. So that is the place where the prana flows into us, nadi and if we think of energy body or even this Annamaya Kosha, so the spine health is very important. So as long as your spine is healthy and flexible, believe me, we are going to live 150 years along with Patri. I'm ready for it. So this is how I fall back.
Wow, wow. My goodness.
Beautiful.
Yes. Thank you, sir. So you want to see few more asana?
Yes, yes, all the asanas.
Okay. All the asanas. One day we will just do together, all of us. Because asanas is something which help us to keep our body healthy and feel more and more bliss. And yes, this is Baddhakonasana, also called butterfly pose or Titili asana. So this is actually to make ourselves like feel like butterfly when we do that, when we do this. So how butterfly fly? If you just fly this way, the butterfly can never fly. It has to put all its energy and it has to fly. Then only it can just go high and high. So this is the Titili asana. So you don't have to even do this way. You can just sit in Baddhakonasana, sit straight and hold your toe. And then we go to Naukasana. So Naukasana is something first just let's sit this way. You can do this time maybe. Or maybe just this way.
Naukasana, my goodness.
Yes. So you don't have to let your boat sink. If they're both sink, you just get drowned. So let your boat stay as happy as possible. So this is the Naukasana. And this knowledge has been given to me. I didn't go to any guru. It has been just given. So it's something when I got the intuition to learn yoga, day by day, I'm just reviving everything. Whatever the knowledge I had, I don't know from where, maybe from the past lifetimes, I don't know. And this is a variation to Naukasana. So
Wow.
every asana here is just based on our concentration.
Brilliant. Beautiful.
Yes.
How long did you learn yoga?
She learned by herself, Swamiji. She never went to a guru.
I never had a guru. I just learned from Patri sir that word. He always says, Svasa is our guru, that breathe is our guru. So that is the seed I had. When I thought, all the youngsters, whoever along with me watching, they had this excuse. Like, I don't have guru, I don't have time, so I can't learn something. Like maybe meditation or maybe painting, dancing, whatever. But then I had this thought. So Patri sir already said us that Swasa is our guru. So then why not myself is guru to this? So whenever I decided that I'm guru to myself. I wake up every day, I experiment on my body with all the awareness and love. So then I understood the flow of my body. I understood how my body works. So it's a happy journey actually. So
Actually,
I
how
took
old are
some
you?
time.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
Huh?
Yes.
How old are you?
23.
Anusha, you are much
Yes.
younger. And what do you do?
I'm just now working in IBM, and also I'm internationally certified yoga trainer, working as software engineer in IBM.
You are one of the most joyous persons I met in my life.
Actually,
You are
it's
full of
not
joy.
the same word I've been hearing from the past 2 years, but believe me, before that, no one said this word to me. Nobody. Only from the past 2 to 3 years, only because of
And how long
meditation.
you have been doing meditation?
I've been in meditation family from the before I
No,
born. Like
family, but about you.
I'm doing from the past 3 to 4 years, like with all the awareness. So that is the important. It's quality meditation. But before that, I used to do along with my parents. I used to sit. I used to come to Patrisa, meet Patrisa. It's like
Has
yeah,
this,
I am in.
has this made any impact on you?
Definitely, you could see the smile on my face. My
It
life
was not there
changed.
earlier.
Huh?
You were not smiling earlier.
No, it was like even if I smile, no one get connects. It won't come from within. It's not that easy to find joy and to feel that joy whoever seeing you. So now if I smile, many people say that they connect with me, that joy, but it was not earlier. So if now anyone see me, they just question me how you can be this happy. I never say that I am a meditator. People come to me and they ask me. They ask about my life. They ask about meditation, about Patri sir. So it's easy for me. They just by seeing me, they come to me and they ask me. So it's something I've decided. It's like the way I live. So everyone will understand that there is something magic in my life given by Patri sir.
How do you think it has happened?
Just
How do you
because
think
of
meditation has helped you? I know
yeah, for me,
what
especially
is the
meditation
process.
helped me to find out the blocks I had in me, which is the different emotions I have covered myself. When meditation started, when I seen that happiest place in me, that safest place in me, then I've decided to remove all the masks. So now I am left is whatever you are seeing. That's very transparent. All you can see, all I have is now joy and love. That's the only thing. Whoever see me, they see only that because I am with that.
No, you're always full of joy like this.
Yes. You have to ask anybody, all they could see is this. And I don't have to try anything because I'm already in that state. I don't know how this happened very biologically. And only nature and meditation is the healer to me.
So you're born.
My life is a different, I was not a happy child. But again, this meditation healed me like anything. It gave me a new birth.
Your parents have been meditating, yes?
Yes, they have been meditating.
So from childhood, you have seen the meditation family.
Oh, that I have just recently shared my experience on PMC channel. So I lost my biological parents. So it was like when I was 4 years kid. And I thought because I was very small and I've been accepted by my maternal uncle and aunt and even my maternal grandparents, I've never cried actually. So though I am a 4 years kid, I just behaved more matured and I was like, okay, I got a happy family. So I was just living like that, but I was never happy because I am carrying the rejection by my mother because she chosen my father over me. Whenever he died, she left for him in the form of like suicide or something. So there are many things that is stopping me in this physical world. Though I've been like I've blessed with more concentration, I study, but still that happiness is missing in me. I'm never a happy child. I've never played much. But believe me, my maternal uncle, my maternal aunt, they are just giving me lot of love. I never, I'm blessed because of them. I'm here happily finished my studies, everything, and I'm blessed with meditation. But still, till the day I have accepted myself, till the day I have started meditation, nothing changed. So those whoever seeing here, being in the meditating family is just an opportunity to you to change. But till the day you decide to change, till the day you experience that meditation and yourself, you can never change. How? It has to start from you. There is an opportunity around you. We have to grab it. So whoever seeing along with me, my age, or even it doesn't matter. So being in the meditation family does not give us anything. All you have to do is meditate yourself. Concentrate on the breathe, and then you will see yourself. Unless, because I'm thinking that I'm happy, but I was never happy. None of nobody felt that I am happy. I was just thinking, if I have some birthday party, I'll be happy. But next day, no. How I'm relating my happiness to birthday party? How I'm relating my happiness to someone, something. So the day I started being self-referral, the happiness that I have in myself, all I could do is
Where do you
smile
live?
and just live happily. That's it.
Vaishnavi, where do you live?
I live in Tadipatri. Like regarding work, I've been traveled from Bangalore, Pune, now currently in Hyderabad, but because of lockdown, I'm in Tadipatri.
You must be a good dancer also.
No, but I want to learn dance. I don't know when.
Your yoga asana itself is like a dance.
Oh wow, thank you, sir. I would love to
No, but
learn
I
because
tell you, you will be an excellent teacher. Swamiji, there can't be a better teacher than her.
He is the best in the whole world, Swamiji.
I think so. I think so.
yeah, sir. I've been teaching actually from the.
Do you give lectures on yoga? Do you do coaching to people? Can you hear me?
So I've done coaching not to learn but how to teach, because I've mastered myself. But I want to teach. When I want to teach, I want to know few things, so which is very necessary. So I've done this teacher training program from the renowned place, because people don't believe if I do yoga they can't just come. So it's just for the sake of name. It is very fast, all I have to do is to learn fatafat. That's it.
You are a born yoga teacher.
Really, my body, even if I sleep, I could sleep in a position. No one can even imagine.
Yoga, and because you're a yoga teacher already, your meditation also become perfect, and your
I
expressions
definitely agree with this, because
are
for few
powerful.
people it's very easy. Like they can sit in meditation for hours. But before yoga, I can't sit for hour or 2 hours. I used to wonder how people sit those many hours. How sages used to sit hours and hours, days, years. Their practice is like few years they used meditation. But when I learned yoga, so I got that strength to sit, because I can sit fine for 5 hours now. So I can sit happily in one place. Sukha Sthiram Asana. So that's the basic thing I got. I can sit in happy posture and meditate. So that's the
Swamiji,
very first thing. And I could switch
Swamiji,
off my mind in seconds. So that's important.
okay, I am talking to Patriji. Swamiji, this child is a gifted child.
Yes, sir. That's right.
I'm blessed by you. I'm born in that family also. She is going to be a remarkable person. She can straight away equal any of the developer masters in the organization. She can be a very powerful teacher.
She is a perfect Kohinoor.
Yes, I endorse. Very rarely you come across a person like her. Today I'm fortunate. Apart from Swamiji's darshan, I met
Hey,
T and Vaishnavi.
a Shirsasana. One Shirsasana from you.
Huh?
Okay, sir. But the dress I wore, just a second, so that I can do.
What is it called?
Yes, sir. When I was in waterfalls, I found a small rock, and there I did, because we do Sishasana on mat in home. We feel like we got Sishasana. But when I am in waterfalls where the water is flowing, if I just slip, I could go along with water. But believe me, there I did. I experienced the nature in different way, because when I am not in Sishasana, like when I'm not in a perfect mind off mind, like when we switch off mind, then only we experience the nature in another level. So when I did Sishasana, believe me, I could experience the waterfalls in different way, because I'm completely off. All I could feel is wonderful things. So yes, Sishasana is definitely a happy journey, because there is no one for me to guide how to do anything. but it's just a journey. That's it. All I could say is,
Please do.
yes, now I'm going to show Srishasan. But believe me, even if you don't do, this doesn't make yoga. Like, this is part of yoga. 1 minute, I just insert my so that. Yes, I don't think so. You can see me completely, but I try. Yeah. I could be very happy if someone here of my age, they just see and begin doing, continue yoga, like start yoga, you will feel your level of consciousness.
Ha 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 ha.
Wonderful. Okay, thank you. Swamiji,
Yes, sir.
60 years back, I used to do that.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
So now the body has become very stiff. Wonderful. It was beautiful. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Such a joy with your conversation also.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
And thank you so much, Patricia, for giving us.
you're on the path of Patriji. You are bound to achieve a lot, contribute a lot to the world.
And let me tell you with lot of gratitude, Sir Karthikeyan, sir. So whoever I am here, because of the seeds we had, this meditation seeds, Patris has sown in our family, only because of that I am here. Otherwise, I don't know where I could have been. Because the siblings these days, they're just fighting for very small things. And only because of this meditation and everything have been happily taken into their family, though I lost my biological parents.
No,
It's
but
something I should be grateful
not all children born in such families become like this. You see, there are great parents are there, but the children are not on the path. I think I must compliment Paima for identifying you, encouraging you, and they must be following you. An example, and you have got humility. The greatest quality is, apart from your ability and talents, you have got humility. It's virtuous, you know. See, Patriji is such a great master, but he's so humble.
On this occasion, I want to thank Patri sir, because you may not know my life today is just because of this knowledge.
Wonderful.
Only because, like, whatever the physical and mental happiness I'm like enjoying in this world, it's just because of your knowledge you are sharing to us. So I am the one, like, from the day when I am born till now, though I didn't meditate, though maybe I meditated from last 4 5 years, but before that, because of your knowledge you have shared, I am here. Our family is just example how a dhyana kutumbam, like how a dhyana family will look like.
Beautiful. Jnana Kutumbam. Beautiful.
Yes, we are Dhyana Kutumbam. Like, I'm very happy to say, whoever sees us, they just come and ask, what's happening in your family? How you can be this happy? Then we get a chance to talk about this.
In your workplace, there must be.
Wow, I just spread like anything. If they feel something, I'll just make them sit and do meditation there.
You tell them, I am like this because of meditation.
Yes,
And many have followed.
Yes, many, because in this IT field they need, because they always in the entire week they just work for something they don't like. They don't know what they are doing. When the weekend comes, they just go out and they want to fill that emptiness in them with food, and they call them as cravings, and they disturb their health and everything. So that lacking, whatever they are missing in them, so we can let them know, see, this is the reason you are having cravings, this is the reason you are having problems in relationship in your body. So let us try meditation for 1 week. Let's explore some art which you have left a few years ago. I used to explain them, and after seeing me, they don't question anything, because they could see me like here. I paint a lot. I work, I paint, I teach yoga, I will be part of Paima. So they can understand how we can use 24 hours this to us.
Do you sleep for some time?
How
many hours?
I sleep at least 7 to 8 hours, a happy sleep. That's
how many hours you sleep?
Huh?
How many hours you sleep?
Night, at least by 11, I'll sleep and I'll wake up by 5 or 5:30 to 6 around.
Very
This will be my timings.
wonderful. You've got a lot to do into the world.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you,
Yeah, thank you.
Gita. Thank you, Poonam Podarji, for giving me darshan of Patriji again and also enabling me to see this wonder child, Vaishnavi.
Okay, what is the time?
8:30 going to be.
8